Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another CSS video. In this video we will be going over how we can change a link into a button, how we can design a button very easily, or how we can design a link into a button very easily. So I have this link here, and this is what we'll be designing. So at the moment it looks like this. It's just normal link, nothing too special, so we want to make this look a bit nicer. Alright, make it look a bit cleaner. So we're going to be turning this into a button basically. So first thing is we need to target our link. So the way we target our link is I'm going to specify the div that we are in, which is section, and then we go and we target the link. So we just add an A in here like that. Now let's say by default we want this link to have a background color. Let's say we just change the background color to white. Okay, let's say we want to change the color of the text. We'll change that to black. Okay, I'm going to add a border around this so it looks like a button. So let's say we want to have a 3-pixel border. We want it to be a solid border, and let's say we want it to be some, let's say green. All right, for now. All right, so here we have our border. So at the moment it looks like this. All right, looks like this. We just added the border, change the color around, and that's about it, to be honest. Now let's add a bit of padding onto this, which is going to make it look way better. So let's add 10 to the top, and then and the bottom, and then let's say we add 20 to the sides like this. We go back, and this is how our button looks like now. Okay, looks way better now. All right, we're getting there. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to align the text to the center. Alright, which isn't actually going to do anything because this is centered already, but just to make sure, we're going to just center the text. And we're going to remove the underlining because we don't want that, so we'll just do text declaration, and then we do not line through, we do none. Now, and what this does is it removes the underlining like that. Alright, so it looks more like a button now, but not close enough yet. And then I'm going to just display this as an inline block, which doesn't do too much, but what it does is it just makes it so it's inside of the border here. What I will also do is we will also add I think we want a margin. Alright, so I'm going to add in a margin, and I'll just add in 10 pixels. The reason why I'm adding the margin is because this button is right at the border of our border here. By doing that, we just add a bit of margin to the sides here, just so it's not too claustrophobic within our border here. Just add a bit of space. Now this link, or this one, it looks fine at the moment, but you know, it's nothing really too special. So what we need to do is we're going to add in, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do section, do A, but now we're going to add in the hover. Right, and now we're going to change the CSS of this link or the button that we're making, just so whenever we hover over it, we can see it change a little bit. So what we can do is we can change the background color of this. Let's say we change this to green. Right, it'll be the same color as our border, and then we'll just change the actual text. We'll change the text to white, for example. And that's about it for the CSS, and it looks like this. So if you refresh this, this is how our button looks now, and if you hover over it, you can see that the background turns green and the text turns white. And then if you click this, you'll go to the page that you need to go. So that's how we can change a link to a nice looking button, basically. So I hope this video has helped. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.